All right, we got the special Shaun 15-minute workout. The man is here. It's free. Start your clocks now. 15 minutes from now, you can be a different person. Take it away, Tiger.
All right, guys, ready? We're going to start a warm-up. Let's jog it out. Now, if you're home watching this, good luck. But it's going to be fun. I want you to know that you got to keep your core tight the whole entire time so you can stay safe. We're going to do 30 seconds for 4 exercises each, and then we're going to repeat it, and this is going to be our warm-up. It's very important to warm up, okay? Just jog it out, breathe, stay focused, keep your knees soft, keep your core tight. You're focusing on me?
Yes, I'm just trying to keep up with you.
I think you'll be looking at the floor in a little bit. Here we go, 3, 2, we're gonna do a straight arm jack. So just push up, we're warming up the shoulders, pulling it down. So as you push up, you warm up the shoulders. As you pull down, you warm up the legs. I'm just gonna walk around, make sure everybody's good. You guys feel good?
Yeah.
I do feel good still, but it's only a minute in.
So I hear you don't sweat, Dr. Oz, but guess what?
All Turks sweat. You haven't seen anything yet.
Your fans out there looking for you to work hard.
Yeah,
so you gotta show them. You gotta show them some good stuff.
Pain.
Here we go.
Share the pain.
3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna do just some butt kicks here. So lift your heel up to the butt. This is gonna stretch out your quadriceps. It's gonna really warm up your calves and slightly just move your hands. Now everything you want to be soft. Like when the workout starts to get hard, you never want to tighten your jaws or like do this or tighten your neck. You want everything to stay soft. When I ran track, they said make sure you keep your lips soft. Act like you're holding potato chips in your hand. You don't want to crush those potato chips. That'll make sure you stay soft.
When I played football in college, they told me to grit my face and sneer.
So 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna do cross jacks. Cross one foot in front of the other, opposite arm. There you go, just lift up. Perfect. Now, we're almost 2 minutes in. I haven't stopped talking. Dr. Oz is still going strong.
He's not talking anymore, though.
So 3, 2, now we're doing the warm up all over again. This time, jog it up. Now we start to go faster. Now your body's warming up. This is where you gotta start to push. This is where you have to focus. You know what? This is gonna carry me through the rest of the workout. I gotta push, I gotta go, I gotta dig, I gotta move. As you start to get tired, you start to say, you know what, I gotta dig deeper. I gotta push. All right, so here we go. Keep pushing, keep pushing. 3 more exercises to our first rest. How you guys feeling? And 3,
Still here.
2, back to the straight arm jack. All right, let's push it up. Push it up a little faster. Again, warming up those shoulders, come on. We can do it, we can do it.
Does the word bird mean anything to you?
No. Here we go. Keep it going, keep it going. You guys good back here? All right.
There's like Marines back there.
I can barely hear you guys breathing. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, back to the butt kicks. Now lift up. Now we go a little speed. This is where you get speed throughout the rest of the workout. Are you trying to challenge me?
I'm trying to keep keeping up with you. I'm looking for a life preserver here.
Where you're going strong. Here we go. We're almost there. I'm just gonna check to make sure his abs are still tight. Okay.
I want these abs. I want those abs.
Ready? And 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go back to the cross jacks. Here we go. Lift it up. We're picking it up. Come on, guys. You got it. You got it. Come on. Give it up for these guys. They're going for it. You guys good? Come on. Push. Keep digging. Keep digging. Keep digging. You're right there. Come on. This is it. And then you get your first 30-second rest. Make sure at home you have your water available and have a towel. All right, let's keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Oh, thank goodness.
Feeling good?
5 seconds left.
And 4, 3, 2. All right, start to shake it out. Whew. All right, good job. Good job, good job, good job. All right, so the most important part of this workout is going to be the stretch that we do now and the stretch that we do at the end. Okay, here we go. So just take your feet shoulder width apart, take a deep breath up, inhale, exhale down, bend your knees. Inhale up, hold it up top, pull your arms down. We're gonna go into a flat back. Keep your core nice and tight and slowly melt all the way to the floor.
Oh, it feels good.
Yes, now if you can't go this far down, all you gotta do is bring your hands to your thighs and go into a flat back, okay? Press it down. If you can get the palms all the way to the floor, that's good. Now keep breathing, keep your core tight. Slowly walk your body over to your right side. You're gonna feel your right hamstring start to stretch a little bit, and that's good. Never overstretch. Always stay in control. Make sure you breathe. Good job. Ready? We're gonna slowly take it over to the other side. Push, push, push.
Is the audience praying for me yet?
That's about the only thing that's gonna help you. Come center. Take your chin to your chest. Roll up nice and slow, one vertebra at a time. Bend your knees slightly as you come up. As soon as you lift your chin up, take a deep breath, inhale up. So you don't get dizzy, and exhale. Okay, guys, this is where the work counts. This is where we gotta dig deep. This is where max interval training takes place. We're doing 4 moves, 1 minute each. Okay, 1 minute each, and then we get a 30-second rest, and then we do it again. Okay?
And then we're done.
And then we're done.
All right.
Remember
I know what
this.
you guys are thinking.
Remember this, you can take a break whenever you want, okay?
But it's a sign of weakness.
No. It's a
I
sign
know
of,
what he's thinking.
It's a sign of strength. All right, here we go, ready? 30 days, you think you can handle this?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. 3, 2, double diamond, go. Lift it up. All right, guys, we just want to focus. Keep the core tight. Keep breathing. Keep going. There you go. Lift. Make sure you bend your knees softly at the bottom. Core's tight up top. And you don't need to stay with us. You just need to go at your own pace. I don't care how slow you go or how fast you go, as long as you keep going and tell yourself, I can do this. Just breathe.
You can do it.
I can do this. Come on. Keep going. Push, push, push. Keep pushing through. Keep pushing through. Your pores are starting to open. I'm sure you feel it.
It's called
Keep
sweating.
going. How we feeling, ladies? All right. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2. Here we go. We're going to stand checks. Ready? Take it down. Take it down. Non-stop movement. Keep your core tight. Come on, let's go. Don't forget to bend your knees. Don't just arch your back. Come down. Now go a little slower. A little slower. Bend your knees more. There you go. Come on, push.
Anybody have oxygen?
Push. There you go. Bring the feet together up top, Dr. Oz. Come on. There you go. Push. Don't forget about your core. Don't forget about your butt going down. The way this helps you work is if you put the weight into your heels as you go down. Push through. How we feeling?
Good, good.
Come on, we're almost there. Less than 15 seconds to go. You can do it. Breathe, breathe. Come on. And 5, 4, 3, 2, go into the Wonder Woman. Side to side. This is a power move. Tighten up your arms. But Dada's moving, make sure his biceps are working. Okay, you're good, you're good, you're good.
Looking for him still.
I see a little sweat on Dr. Oz forehead. Come on, come on. Power through, power through, you're right there. You can do it, come on. Go, go. Take a break, grab some water when you want. What I want you to remember is that as long as you keep pushing, as long as you keep going, you're going to see results, okay? Push. You're in. If Dr. Oz can do it, anybody can do it.
Do this at home, please. So true.
Come on. Come on, power through, power through. Don't forget about the abs. Don't forget about the arms. One goal in mind. Power.
Stay with us at home.
3, 2, hit the floor. Here we go. Come on. Bend your knees. Tighten your core when you hit the floor. Come on. Let's go. Push, push, push. Bend your knees more. When you go down, act like you're going into a sprint. Boom, there you go. Push. You're getting some good height there, Dr. Oz.
Basketball.
All right. Come on. Push through. That's a good thing. If people out there play sports, think in your mind, would I stop if it was the end of the game and I had to shoot that last ball? Or if I was running around the track and I wanted to get to the end first? No, you would keep pushing. You would keep going. You would tell yourself that I can do anything I put my mind to. Come on, guys. Our rest is coming up. Come on. I know you guys are happy about that.
We are, that we are. Hey, we're gonna hold this too, believe me.
Come on. Keep going, keep going. 3, 5, 4, 3, 2. Take a 30-second rest.
One more set, one more set.
You got another one. So, I know at home you're probably like, this is crazy. But remember, if you can't do as many reps as we can do, it's totally fine. If you can only do it for 30 seconds, that's fine. You're doing more than you did yesterday, and that's the only thing that's important, right, Dr. Oz? As he's drinking water and wiping
I think
sweat.
it's crazy too, but it's worth it.
I am crazy, but crazy in a good way.
That's why they call it insanity.
I'll take some. Thanks. Ready, guys? 5 seconds.
That was a short 30 seconds.
Here we go.
All right.
4.
Last one, guys.
3,
Last one.
2. This is where you dig deep. Diamonds, go. Lift up. All right, guys. This is where you go. This is where you dig. First part was easy. That's the part where you warm up. Second part was the first interval. That's the part where you start to push. You follow Dr. Oz, and I promise you, you can get there. We're gonna push you, we're gonna take you there. You can do it. No matter what happens, constantly tell yourself that you can do it. Come on, go. Come on, go. Keep pushing. Give it up, guys. Give it up. Give it up. They're working hard. Come on. Come on. Push, 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 push. Come on, you're in there. You're in there. You're in there. Come on. Go, 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 go. Go. Come on, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2. Stance jacks. Come on. Nah, yeah. Come on. Come on. These ladies are going for it back here. Come on, give it up. That's right. That's right. That's right. I know you guys did this. Come on. Don't forget. Bend your knees. Bend your knees. Look, the most important thing here too, another important thing is to go deep. More range of motion. Come on. Come on. You got this. You got this. You got this. Come on. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Yes. 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 Come on, guys. It's all about the power you put in yourself. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. You got all these people cheering for you. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. You got it. Come on. Push. 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 Don't stop. You can do it. 4, 3, 2. Back to the Heisman. This is where we go. Come on. Come on. Let's move. Let's move. Let's move. Let's move. Come on. Let's go. Go. Power down.
Keep cheering. I need you. Yeah, really.
Come on. You got it. You got it. You got it. Knees up, core tight, push it. That's it. Stay focused. Come on. Come on. You're right there. You're right there. Come on. Go eyes. Go eyes. Go eyes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push. 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 You're right there. That's right. Take a break. Take a break. It's all good. Come on. Power through. Power through. Come on. Come on. Guess what, guys? We only got one exercise left. You can do it. Come on. Pull, 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 pull. You got it. Come on, focus. You got it. You got it. You got it.
I got this. You're right. We all have this. Keep going.
You can do it.
I can do it. You can do it.
5, 4. Last exercise. Hit the floor. Let's go. Come on. This is it. This is it. This is it. Both hands in the air. There you go. Both hands up. This is it. This is it. This is it.
Come on, guys. Cheers, Shaun. Almost there.
Take that power all the way with you. Come on. You got this, Dr. Oz. You got this. Come on. Stay motivated. Stay motivated. Keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Keep going.
Come on.
We got this.
Keep going. Come on. Go. Go. You see this? He's working. Push. Push. You're right there. You're right there. Don't give up on anything. Come on. Push. 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 Come on. Come on, Dr. Oz. We're almost there. About 15 seconds to go, y'all. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Dig, dig, dig.
Come on,
you got it.
do
You
it.
got it. You got it. Come on. You got it. You got it. You got it. Power through. We're almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. 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 Yes.
All right, guys.
Awesome job.
We're gonna stretch now.
All right.
Stretch.
Stretch it out. Deep breath. Exhale down, bend your knees. Bend your knees. Press it over to your right side. And take it over to the left side.
That was intense. But that's worth it, folks. That's how you look like these Wonder Woman. Tamara, you okay back there?
Tamara's digging deep today.
That's okay? Rebecca, you okay?
Yes!
All right, take it down. Keep the stretch. Some more important things that you need to know is that you want to drink tons of water now. Tons of water. You worked hard. If this is your first day, congratulations. Let's make it a second day. Take it over to your right side. Squeeze. Audience, give it up for the people at home.
Everybody, you're worth it. You're worth it. I'll see you tomorrow. Shaun!
Awesome job, man. Way to go.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.